Delicious omelette is ready and I'm going to enjoy it now. Ready and I'm going to prepare my omelette. I'll show you how I make my omelette. It's a very easy one. And lassi and now omelette. Okay, so I've taken one egg. I've added some pinch of salt and pinch of pepper. I've taken half 2 tablespoons of onion. Okay, I have taken some onion and I will be using some cheddar cheese. I've just used maybe 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese. I'm going to mix all of this. Okay, so you can see that my egg, I've added the cheese. You can see the cheese is melting and I've put the flame very low because I want it not to turn brownish the egg. So I'm going to make it on a very low speed and I'm going to tilt it now. I think the egg is done from down. I'm just going to turn it. And here you go. Here you can see it's just such an easy recipe. I've not even used much of stuff. It's just onions and it's cheese